What's up? It's your girl LJ, and it's time to juice. This time I'm back with a little bit more ingredients than normal. We are going to be using celery, kale, cucumbers, lemon, apples, and just a little bit of ginger because last time that ginger was so strong. So I'm going to wash and cut everything up and be right back. So now I am back. Everything has been washed, cut, and made to size for what was required for this recipe. So let's start. Of course, you guys already know I'm going to list the ingredients as I am grabbing that particular veggie or fruit. So let's start with the kale. And I'm going to fast forward through the actual juicing part just for the sake of time. And we are going to get all this in there. We're going to make it work. So we got a really dark colored juice from that. I guess is what I was expecting from kale. I don't know what I was expecting as far as how much juice was gonna come out. So let's move to the cucumbers. I almost ate half of these while I was cutting them up. Throw a little salt and pepper on there. Okay, yeah, I'm trying to stuff them. I got them all. Let's go. Oh yeah, the juice is coming. That was definitely much faster to juice. Now we're gonna add celery. I already know this is gonna produce a lot of juice. Yeah. Apples. I mean, there ain't no room for this one, so I guess I gotta eat it. Let's go. So I don't know if I mentioned the ginger or not, but ginger. And we'll go ahead and throw the lemon in there. I didn't know if I was supposed to squeeze this like I did in my last video where I kind of just squeezed it in there. But I kind of like a tart taste. Why not? Lego. Take a risk every now and then, all right? Unplug my juicer. Now I forgot to grab my cup. Let me go get that. All right, back with my cup, and you guys already know I'm gonna come out front to do my taste test with you guys. Mix it up. Okay. Now that definitely, let's see. I don't know why I wait till I pour the ingredients in here to even look at this cup to see what the measurements are on here. Once I clean it, I better tell you. But I definitely feel like this is definitely anywhere between 12 to 16 ounces. Let's see. Okay. That's actually pretty good. I was expecting because between the kale, the cucumber, maybe using that lemon. I think that lemon is what did it. Yeah, between the lemon and the apple. And I used just enough ginger root. Okay, girl. Yeah. Definitely try this out. Cause my face don't lie. That's one thing. My face would tell it all. But that's actually pretty good. Definitely give this a try. Put it over some ice. Just kiss. But you guys, I already know what to do. Like, subscribe, enjoy for another video.